Hello viewers, welcome to C tutorial. This is my session 4 and here today we are going to discuss variable in C So let's begin with. So what is a variable basically? A variable in C is nothing but it's a given name to a storage space. What does mean basically? Like let's suppose we are declaring a variable of type name, like let's suppose string name. Okay, so name is nothing but it's a storage space. It is a container which is going to occupy some memory. Okay, in your local memory, in the sense like random access memory, which is called as RAM. It will occupy some program memory and it will store some value, so that's why it is being even called storage space, as well as it's a given name to a particular value. And how this justifies, let's suppose string name equals Sunil. Okay, so Sunil is the value and the given name is the container, it's called the name. So this is the total definition we justifies. Like a variable is nothing but in C is a given name to a storage space in a program, as well as a given name to data value. Okay, each variable has its type and size, of course. So definitely whenever we are declaring it should be declared with a type, right? And whenever we are going to assign, or the at the time of declaration as well, it will contain a value as well, right? Okay, so let's see. Okay, so defining a variable, basically a variable can be declared using following base. There are two base probably. Like the first one, it describes either you can declare a variable without the assignment, and the second way is declare a variable at the time of assignment, as well as you can assign the value while declaring a variable. So let's see on action. So this is the program. Okay, so let me delete this one. Okay, let's comment this out. Okay, I'm just keeping a simple template ready for you guys. So the first way is I told int I. Okay, sorry, it's not one, int I. So here we are declaring a variable. Okay, so like simple declaration without assignment. Okay, and here we are going to declare one more variable with the value equals 1. So this is the second way we are just discussing, right? With the assignment. Fine. So what is next is called multi-line variable. Of course, like here you can see we have declared in a separate line, like int I or int j equal 1. Even if the variable whatever the variable we are using inside a block or inside the current execution steps, it can be declared in the same line. Okay, but it has a condition to be met, like it should be of type, it should be of same type. It's not like you are declaring a string and integer variable at a time, or in one shot. This won't allow. Let's see on action. And I, okay, I is already declared, and A, B, C. Okay, and here I am assigning, let's suppose value 10. Okay, so it's multi-line declaration. If you want to just print the value also, you can just go for console right line. Okay, what we print, let's suppose a only, because it will, the both a b c will contain the same value 10 when we are going to just execute it. Okay, as it is expecting of type string, so let's convert it to string. Okay, use of unassigned local variable a. Okay, it is saying use of something going wrong. Oh sorry, it should be c. Okay, so here you can see, like before running the program, like we are declaring three variable of type int with two unassigned, one assigned basically. So this is one way of multi-line declaration, and we will see how to assign at a time in a single line, sorry, not single line, in multi-line with a single data type. Okay, so before moving into that, just execute it and let's see on action how it works. See, here it is printing 10, which is of type int of value c, right? So now we'll see how to declare of type same variable within same line. Okay, with assignment. Let's suppose this would be 10 again, and b would be 20, and c again 10. Okay, and just print something called dollar simple. Just copy this. So here we are, it's good to go. So now, okay, variable assignment. So a value of one variable can also be assigned to another variable of the same type, but it must be assigned before. It's not like you have declared a variable without assigning, means unassigned variable can't be declared to a of same type variable. In that case, it will just raise a compile time error also. So let's see on action. So here we'll let's declare. Okay, let's go with string data type, string name, called abc. Now I'm just going to declare one more called string name 2. Okay, because I'm just going to use this one, and now print console dot write line. Okay, sorry, I need to use this name 2. Okay, so here you can see, right, yeah, like we are just simply assigning the value of one of string to a different variable called name2. Let's see on action. So here you can see, right, abc can be fetched from what we called name. Okay, and it is printing here, right? But what if we'll declare like this, but it won't assign? Okay, see here, you can see, right, it is giving a compilation error called use of unassigned local variable name to doesn't allow, it won't be allowed, right? So this will give a compilation error. Also one more point need to remember, like let's suppose string name to, and here I am to assign to a different type also, which is called j, even it is assigned variable, as you know, like it is a mixed type conversation we are going to do, like, so it should not allow. So this is again cannot implicitly convert type into string. Okay, so it will have error, but there are a lot of ways to get it assigned. Okay, just to make this thing interesting, I'm just want to show you. Okay, just convert it, basically explicitly we are going to convert. If we run this, it is going to work. Want to see? So this is the result. Okay, so here we are good to go with. Let's move into the slides. So here we were discussing this one, right? Int a equal to 1, j equal to a. Okay, the same thing, and the rules I just showed you. Let's move into the next slide. Okay, so here this is the program we were just discussing. Okay, so this is all about the introduction towards variables in C#, guys. And the next video session would be the types of variable, and is more interested, but I would request just to go through this one before moving into my next tutorial. And here, like if you want to visit my blog for all the tutorials I would be uploading, or all the sessions, it will be available in this my blog, like scam.net.edu.blogspot.com, and the below URL you can find for this particular text version of this tutorial. Okay, so thank you guys, have a good day, and please subscribe to my channel so that you are not going to miss any kind of post, or immediately you can just grab that.